This quick video is about how to reverse a video on iPhone Snapchat in 2022. Okay, first open Snapchat. Then to record the video, tap and hold the shutter button. Once you're done, then release your thumb. Now slide like this. Then you can use different type of filter effects. And to reverse the video, select this effect. Now you can see the video was playing in reverse direction. And to save this video on camera roll, just hit save. Or you can directly share this video with your friends. Just hit send to, and here you can select the person and share the video. Yeah, now the video was saved. Let's check that. Photos app. Yes, you can see here. The video also was playing in reverse direction. Yeah, that's it. You successfully reversed a video on Snapchat. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.